Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2025 GMC Sierra? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard features a sleek, customizable digital dashboard with a 12.3-inch display, delivering real-time driving info and advanced towing alerts for ultimate control. The 2025 GMC Sierra's digital cluster offers crisp, customizable displays that keep you informed and in control on every drive. The LCD display puts essential info front and center, letting you customize your driving experience with ease. The Sierra's climate control system offers intuitive, precise temperature settings for ultimate comfort on every journey. The gear system delivers smooth, responsive shifting with easy-to-use controls designed for powerful performance. The steering wheel offers precise control and effortless handling for a confident drive. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators, driver seat belt reminder, front passenger seat belt reminder, second and third row passenger seat belt reminder, airbag readiness light, passenger airbag status, charging system light, malfunction indicator lamp, brake system warning, electric parking brake, service electric parking brake, anti-lock brake system, all-wheel drive light, tow or haul mode light, hill descent control light, lane keep assist light, automatic emergency braking, vehicle ahead indicator, pedestrian ahead indicator, traction off light, electronic stability control light, electronic stability control off, engine coolant temperature warning, sport mode, snow or ice mode, trailer sway control light, off-road mode, tire pressure light, engine oil pressure light, low fuel warning, auto stop indicator, security light, high beam on light, IntelliBeam light, front fog lamp light, lamps on reminder, cruise control light, super cruise light, driver attention assist light, door ajar light, adaptive cruise control light, safety precaution, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.